Hello everyone to this very special video. First of all, I would like to thank you from all of the Next2 team for helping us reach 34,000 subscribers. I mentioned this on the live stream on Monday, but I didn't make a dedicated video. We are now 34,000 Next2 subscribers that are learning and improving their 3D skills to become even better. And we actually have a very cool thing going on right now. You might have seen it in some of the videos this week, but if you haven't, we're offering a super special bundle with our top selling courses for Zbrush. Zbrush is one of these tools in the industry that no matter if you go to games, 3D printing, movies, or commercials, you are gonna need. It's one of those like super high industry standards, so you need to learn Zbrush, and we're offering this bundle for you so that you can learn everything from scratch. We have introduction to Zbrush, we have creature creation, we have characters, we have 3D printing, we have fantasy, we have sci-fi, we have weapons. There's a little bit of everything inside of this bundle. This bundle is usually at $180, but we're discounting it, heavily discounted it with an 80% offer for only $35. So if you want to get it, the link is down here, $35, and you get access to all of these courses, all of the files, all of the information that you're gonna need to improve your 3D career and keep growing as an artist, which is what we're doing here in the channel. So again, thank you very much, my friends. We're also gonna be having a special live stream today, 7:30 a.m. Mexico time, 7 p.m. India time, a little bit earlier than usual, but we're gonna have this live stream. We're gonna be celebrating, of course, our 34,000 subscribers. We're gonna be celebrating this bundle that we're selling, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to help the channel, you guys know that a like, a share, a subscription, like everything that you can do down here to interact with us really pushes us and helps us beat that YouTube algorithm. So if you can help us, that would be amazing, and I am hoping to see you guys in the live stream in a couple of hours. So yeah, that's it. Make sure to hit the little bell icon. I'll wait for you on the live stream, and if you want to check the bundle, it's going to be down here on the link. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye.